How to turn off active status on Instagram. Hey everyone, I'm back with a new tutorial. Today's video is based on how to turn off active status on Instagram. In order to turn off active status on Instagram, first of all, you need to log in into your Instagram account. After that, you'll be taken to the home page. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and click on the profile icon. Next page, you'll be directed to your profile page. On this page, click on the tab bar icon located in the upper right hand side corner. Click on settings. As soon as you click on settings, go to privacy. Here you'll need to scroll down a bit. You'll be able to find active status. So if you have already enabled active status, you'll be able to see a blue icon which indicates that the active status has been enabled. So in order to turn it off, you need to toggle the switch. After that, the active status has been turned off. So this will actually hide your online status, which means that nobody will be able to see whether you're online or active on Instagram, nor you'll be able to see others' activity status. In this way, you can turn off active status on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.